Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem codes on your Epic Games account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem your codes or redeem the product codes on your Epic Games account, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in Epic Games .com like this and hit enter, and after that you'll be directed to the home page of Epic Games, where first, in order to redeem your product code or your code on Epic Game account, you'll be required to log into your Epic Games account. And to sign into your account, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the sign in button available over here. Click on sign in, and after that you can choose any of these platforms to sign into your Epic Games account, but I'll be using the Epic Games account itself, or the Gmail, to log into my Epic Games account. You will also be required to do the same. Enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here, just like my computer has auto filled it for me. Now let's log into our Epic Games account. And after logging into your Epic Games account, on the top right corner of the screen you can see your username over here, and when we hover over it, this kind of a dialog box appears, or the pop-up appears, whereas you can see the redeem code on the third one just below the my achievements. Click on redeem code, and you'll be required to enter your product code or the code of your Epic game over here, which you have received either virtually or you have bought it from somewhere. And click over here, enter your code over here in this format, and click on redeem. And on the next step you'll be required to enter your mailing address, and after clicking on continue, the product or the code of the product which you had entered here will be redeemed on your Epic Games account and will be available to you on Epic Games. And this is how you redeem your product code or the code on your Epic Games account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.